Hello, tech enthusiasts. Are you struggling with sound issues on your LG monitor? In this detailed guide, we'll explore how to fix LG monitor sound, ensuring you get the best audio experience possible from your device. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or attending conference calls, having optimal sound is crucial. Let's dive into some practical solutions to resolve sound problems on your LG monitor. Step 1. Physical connection. First things first, let's ensure all physical connections are secure. Verify that your HDMI, DisplayPort, or audio cables are properly connected to both your monitor and computer. Loose or faulty cables can often lead to sound issues. If you're using a separate audio cable, double check its connection. Replacing the cable with a new one can also eliminate potential issues stemming from a faulty connection. Step 2. Select the correct audio output. The next step involves checking your sound settings. On your computer, navigate to the audio output settings to ensure your LG monitor is selected as the audio output device. This can be a common overlook, especially if you've switched between audio devices. On Windows, right-click the sound icon in your taskbar, go to Playback Devices, and set your LG monitor as the default. For Mac users, head to System Preferences, then Sound, and choose your monitor from the output list. Step 3. Update or reinstall drivers. Outdated or corrupt audio drivers can lead to sound issues on your LG monitor. Visit the LG website to download the latest drivers for your specific monitor model. On Windows, you can check for driver updates through Device Manager. Simply right-click on your monitor's audio device and select Update Driver. If issues persist, uninstall the driver and restart your computer. This will prompt Windows to reinstall the correct driver automatically. Step 4. Adjust monitor audio settings. LG monitors often come with built-in audio settings, which can affect how sound is processed. Check your monitor's on-screen display menu and navigate to the audio settings. Ensure the volume is not muted or set too low. If your monitor supports advanced sound modes, try switching between them to see if any changes improve your audio output. Step 5. Test with another device. If you still experience sound issues, try connecting your LG monitor to another device, such as a different computer or gaming console. This helps determine whether the problem lies with the monitor itself or the original device. If the sound works with the new device, the issue likely resides within your initial computer or its setting. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix LG monitor sound. By checking physical connections, ensuring the correct audio output, updating drivers, adjusting monitor settings, and testing with another device, you can resolve most sound issues. Remember, good sound is essential for an immersive experience, whether you're working or unwinding with your favorite shows. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider reaching out to LG support for further assistance. Enjoy crystal clear audio on your LG monitor, and thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you next time.